Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to review about Joy Hello Sun Sunblock and Anti-Tan Lotion. Extreme Protection UVA plus UVB filters with papaya and saffron. PA++ SPF40 prevents skin darkening. Formulated with natural sunscreen agent papaya and saffron, which provides extra protection from UVA plus UVB, prevents skin tanning due to damaging effects of sun rays, offers oil-free moisturizer with lasting fairness and sweat-free level. It comes under 150 rupees in Indian price. It provides 40 times more protection from skin darkening, prevents tanning and imparts testing fairness, sweat-free level, ideal for summer usage, oil-free non-greasy moisturizers. You can buy it. I will put the description box in link and you can just purchase it from there. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you get more reviews about other products too. Thank you and have a nice day.